is our ultra-fine brow pencil that creates feather-like hair strokes to provide soft shading and precise definition. With gentle pressure, fill in your brows by shading in any areas that are sparse. Focus on feathering out the shape of your brows so that it doesn't look too blocky. You want to softly fill them out. This pencil is equipped with a built-in spoolie for easy grooming on one end, and on the other end, it has an oval tip to deliver pigmented, hair-like lines with controlled application at every angle. The pencils come in 5 different shades: blonde, light taupe, brunette, deep taupe, and ebony, and all with perfect buildable formula. This is our tinted brow cream that provides natural fullness and enhanced volume for perfect on-the-go brows. This buildable formula contains thickening fibers and comes with a custom micro-applicator designed to lift, shape, and sculpt brows to precise perfection. This cream-based formula sets the brows without feeling stiff. Brush your brows to shape them. You can buff them up for that fluffy, bushy look, or comb through for a clean, groomed finish. This micro spoolie applicator is designed to grab and lift every brow hair, enriched with vitamin E and kaolin for lightweight flexibility and nourishing comfort. The brow creams come in 4 different shades: soft blonde, classic brunette, universal taupe, soft ebony. I like my brows natural and soft. What's your brow ID?